Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome students in our mathematics class grade 4 with a new lesson, your mathematics teacher. Today's topic is units of capacity. We have different units of capacity. We will study these units of capacity in page number 709, 710 and 711. So please open first of all page number 709. We can see that in this page we have different type of containers that have different capacity. First is a very small one. It contains about 1 fluid ounce. Second is 1 cup. It contains a cup of capacity liquid. Next is 1 pint. After that, a container. It holds about 1 quart. And the last one is a big bottle. It contains a liquid, water, milk or something like that, about 1 gallon. Our next page is page number 710. We can see that we have the question, choose the most reasonable estimate for each capacity. Number 1, it is a bowl containing water. So we have 4 answers. A is 1 fluid ounce, B is 1 pint, C is 1 quart, D is 100 quarts. So the correct answer for this one is C, 1 quart. After that we have number 2, it is a jug containing some water. We have 4 answers, F, G, H, I. So correct answer is G, 10 cups. It means it contains about 10 cups of liquid. Next is number 3. We have also 4 options. A is 1 fluid ounce, B is 1 cup, C is 1 pint, D is 1 gallon. So D is the answer for this one, that contains 1 gallon. In page number 7, my dear student, we can see that we have number 4. It is a swimming pool. So A is 12 fluid ounce, B is 1 gallon, C is 12 gallon, D is 12,000 gallons. So we can see that swimming pool, it contains a lot of water. So A, B, C cannot be possible. So D is the correct answer, that contains 12,000 gallons of water. In number 5, it is a bucket. We have 4 options, F, G, H, I. So correct answer is I. It contains 2 gallons of water. In number 6, a spoon. We can see a spoon containing some medicine or liquid. So A is 1 fluid ounce, B is 1 cup, C is 1 quart, D is 1 gallon. So A, B, C cannot be possible because it is a small spoon. So A is the answer, 1 fluid ounce. After that we have 7. Number 7, we have 4 options, F, G, H, I. So correct answer is F, that is 8 fluid ounces. In number 8, we can see that it is a container. A have 1 quart, B 10 quarts, C 100 quarts, D 1000 quarts. So it cannot be possible. So best answer is, correct answer 8 is A. Number 9, we have also 4 choices, F, G, H, I. So H is the correct answer. 16 fluid ounces can contain this liquid, contain this container. So my dear student, these are the lessons about the different capacity of the container. Hope you understood the lesson. My dear student, we also have some homework for you, that is in page number 713. Choose the best estimates of each capacity. So you have the 4 answers for also. You will select what is the correct answer and circle that. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.